They say don't reinvent the wheel, but what if we said, tuck it? We know the pain of fitting a bike in your apartment. We've tripped over our bikes, blocked hallways, left them outside and hoped they'd still be there in the morning. Your bike doesn't have to be your roommate. Introducing Tuck Bike, the big bike for small spaces. I've created a full-size bike that slides under your desk, onto a crowded train, or into your trunk. Things you can't do with a regular bike, and things you didn't know you wanted to do in the first place. Let's take a closer look. Tuck Bike is a great bike, whether you fold it or not. Unlike many folding bikes, it handles great, it's comfortable, and it's fun to ride. You can weave through the city with our precise handling. Tuck Bike fits your time and space needs. Storing in a hallway? Fold the handlebars in a flash with the hallway Curtsy. No more snagged cardigans. Trying to catch a busy train? Fold in half in 5 seconds flat. Trying to maximize space? The full Monty fold fits in the trunk of a small car. Reach suitcase size in less than 2 minutes, or 2 seconds if you're Superman. Here's a typical folding bike. Just kidding. But seriously, the wheels are too darn small. Tuck Bike folds as small as a typical folding bike, but with full-size 28-inch wheels. It's got single-speed gearing and disc brakes to stop on a dime. There's a kickstand to balance the bike while you fold it. And don't worry about lugging your bike around. You can easily roll it around on the caster wheels. Oh, did I mention our tyres are literally puncture-proof? Throw away that pump and say goodbye to flats forever. I'm Alex Annie-Michaud. I'm the inventor of Tuck Bike. I've spent my whole career in manufacturing and automotive engineering, including working on the Jaguar driven in the Bond movie Spectre and the hybrid Range Rover. I spent the last 4 years literally reinventing the wheel to give you the smallest folding bike with the best possible ride. Our wheel is safe. It's passed comprehensive testing by an independent third party. It meets the international standard for reliability and the American consumer standard, completing over 750,000 impacts on a rolling road while overloaded and still going strong. This bike is going to have you saying,
Tuck, yes.
Imagine the world that will open up to you once you can take your bike anywhere. Your support will pay for the first production batch. All we need is your funding to get these bikes made. Tuck Bike is ready to roll. We'd love this to be the first of many rides together. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe and tuck it!